Hello students, welcome back. In today's class, I will be solving a very important problem from Newton-Raphson method. The problem is find an approximate root of the equation x log x to the base 10 is equal to 1 by 2 near 2.5 using Newton-Raphson method. Okay, if you refer the playlist and if you are following me, I have solved more questions on Newton-Raphson method in a very easy way. And the fastest way by making use of the scientific calculator. Both the 991 CASIO 991 ES Plus second edition and also the CASIO 991 CW, which are common among the engineering students across India. And also the examinations are nearing. All the students of VTU, that is BMAT S201, BMAT E201, BMAT M201 and BMAT C201 of the 25 scheme. Please pay close attention here. Okay. Please don't skip any part and follow me till the end, and the best is that you practice along with me. So take a notebook, a pen, a calculator and let's begin solving this question. So first in Newton-Raphson method, we write an equation, that is function is what? F of x is equal to, it's x log x to the base 10 is equal to 1.2. So we take it as x log x to the base 10 minus 1.2. Fine. The next is we need to differentiate this. But remember, here is the tricky part where many students fail. We cannot directly differentiate this. Why? Because see, it's x log to the base 10. Differentiation of only log x or log x to the base is 1 by x. Be careful. We cannot directly differentiate. So what I'll simply do is I'll write this as f of x is equal to, see, in logarithm you have a property, that is we can write log of a to the base b is equal to log of a over log of b. I can use that. Okay, that's why basics will be strong. So x into, I can write log x to the base 10 as log x over log 10 minus 1.2. So that will be f of x equals to, what's 1 by log 10? Again in the calculator, log, plain log means LM. Log to the base 10 means LOG log. So here simply log 10 to the, okay, so it is 1 by log 10, that's all. So now let's find the value of it. So 1 by ln of 10. So we have 1 divided by ln of 10 is equal to, it is 0.4343. So this will be 0.4343 into x log x minus 1.2. Once again I repeat, since we need to differentiate this, I cannot differentiate directly because there is no differential log 10, okay, to the base 10. So what you need to do, we log, this is a, this is b, so log a by b is log x by log 10. So 1 by log 10 is constant, I have found this in calculator. Again LOG log means ln, okay. So x log x minus 1.2. Now I can easily differentiate. Therefore differentiation of this will be f dash of x is equal to 0.4343 as it is into, see this differentiation correctly, x as it is, product rule, differentiation log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, x is 1 and this 0. So we get f dash of x clearly as 0.4343 into 1 plus log of x. Okay, so I found f dash of x here. So once we found f dash x, the initial is already given, otherwise you need to find. But here they already mentioned near what? Near 2.5. So x naught is equal to what? 2.5. They already mentioned it. So the first iteration, recall the formula of Newton-Raphson. x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught over f dash of x naught. That will be, what is that? 2.5 minus f of 2.5 over f dash of 2.5. That will be, first you write the step, then I'll show how to automate it. Okay, so please pay attention here. So 2.5 minus, what is f of 5? Please write it down to show the examiner because this carries 6 to 7 marks. So write everything. Okay, I'll show the shortcut, but please write it down everything. F of 2.5. What is f of x? X log x to base 10. This will be what? Square bracket 2.5 log of 2.5 to the base 10 minus 1.2 over, what is the f dash we found? 0.4343 43 into 0.4343 into 1 plus log of is 2.5. Okay. Now we have to solve this. So before solving, a simple shortcut. So what you do, always make an equation. So just make a simple equation which you are going to enter in the calculator and automate it. What is the equation is? See, always x will be there as it is minus. See, what is the formula? X naught minus f of x naught f dash x naught. So x as it is minus f of x naught, that is f of x. Right as it is x log x to the base 10 minus 1.2 over f dash of x. What is f dash of x? That is 0.4343 into 1 plus log of x. So this becomes the main what? The formula to put in the calculator and automate it. We can just write it separately, okay, if you want. Or here also no problem. Now what you need to do is you need to enter this in the calculator. So I will show this using both the FX 991 CW and 991 ES plus. So as many people of the new scheme are operating this one, that is CASIO 991 CW, which we will work with that now. So follow me carefully and please get a calculator to practice along with me. So press on, then calculate. First we go to settings and then reset. Always do it. Okay. Initialize all. Because you are writing the examination, you have to get the marks, you cannot put anything to risk. So please reset a calculator. Then what? Calculate. Okay. Now in FX 991 CW for the emulator, to define this function, you need to go to what? F of x, then go down, define f of x. Now x is there already minus. See, x as it is, for all question x will be there as it is, minus this will differ for question to question. It can be x sin x minus cos x, whatever it is, okay, or x e x whatever. Now enter this fraction. See, it is, this will be x. Now this is log x to the base 10, right? So use log log. So log log is here in this shift, log log to the base x, log x minus 1.2 over 0.4343 bracket 1 plus. See, this is log log to the base e. There is no base and all. No base is plain log 10. Sorry, log to the base e means ln. Ln is here. Shift ln. Then x. Close the bracket. Close the bracket. That's all. Okay. Then execute. So my function is stored here. Now to find the value of starting 2.5. So simply press go to function 2.5 is equal to, we get 2. So x1 is equal to 2.74650. So this is the value of x1. So the x1 is found here, the first iteration. Okay, this is x1. Now similarly, what is x2 is equal to? X2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 over f dash of x1. So we will again simply write this 2.746501 minus f of 2.746501 divided by f dash of 2.746501. That's all. Now simply do nothing. So x2 is equal to, it's understood because it is a calculator. Do nothing. It is, this is when you press execute, this gets stored in matrix answer. So press AC again, function f of, what's that? Answer. Where is the answer? Answer here. Close. Execute again 2.740649 2.740649. Okay, this is x2. So at least 3 iterations. See, answer is coming same as it is, so you can stop here also. That's the answer. Okay, because rules are same. Now we'll do one more iteration check. So similarly, that implies x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 over f dash of x2. That will be again 2.740649 2.740649 minus f of 2.740 divided by f dash of 2.740649. Okay, so that's x3 is equal to, now again what? Again the whatever we found here stored in answer, again you see, again f of answer. Execute. Again you're getting same thing. So you're getting 2.7 40,646. That's all. So stop it here only, because when you stop, when the answer they match together, see it approximately matches together, perfectly matches, because 2.7406, 2.7406. That's the answer. Therefore, the root for the above question is root x is equal to 2.7406, or you can write 5 whatever 065, because they not mention any decimal places here. If they mention 4 decimal places, you can write 2.7406 or 07 or 2.74065 is the answer. That's all. If they mention any decimal places, then what you do? You can use a calculator mode to fix it to 3, 4, 5 decimals, whatever they say. Okay, so that's all. Now the same thing I'll show you using FX 991 years per second edition. So people, students who are using this FX 991 years per second edition, please follow carefully. Again, go to shift, clear, 3 all is equal to AC. Okay, now here the function is not directly, you can do like this. See, x minus c, we do alpha x minus fraction. Again, f log x, no, alpha x into log log directly here on the keyboard. Log means log to the base 10, alpha x minus 1.2 over, this will be 0.4343 bracket 1 plus ln of alpha x bracket close, bracket close. Here we simply press only one time, calculate. So it asks x value, so x value is 2.5 is good. You get 2.74650 blah blah 0 what. Okay, then again equals to what is to the answer. Again simply press what? Answer equals to, again 2.740469, perfect, whatever. Again equal to, again answer is equal to, again 2.740640, 74064 and 6, what 74069 f, whatever it is. So that's the answer. So the perfect answer is 2.7406 or 2.7406, whatever. That's all. So that's all for the Newton-Raphson method. So as I follow the same method I have done in the previous problems. So follow this method, you can solve the, if you practice 2-3 problems, no, you can solve this Newton-Raphson problem not more than 6 to 8 minutes, that's all, not more than that. Okay, so but you need to please practice and get your hands on the whatever calculator you have. So that's all. So exams are nearing, I hope you'll practice this question perfectly. So that's all for today's video. Keep practicing, practice harder and harder, more harder, till your confidence increases and you get good marks in examination. So nothing I can say, I am doing my work, you have to put your hard work now. So that's all for today's video. Do the hard work, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.